Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the T3 Afar. I am going to Spain in about 2 days, so I really hope that this blow dryer is good for traveling internationally. I am really going to put this blow dryer to the test. I'm going to dry my hair now with the diffuser, and then tomorrow I'm going to use the nozzle attachment to do a blowout. So that's when I'm really going to put it to the test. If this can give me a nice blowout, I am taking this with me to Spain. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to blow out my hair out there, but I want an option just in case. So if I just have to take this and the nozzle attachment and a round brush, then I'm good to go. That would be amazing. I love that this brings a travel pouch. That's like one of my favorite things about this blow dryer. And the diffuser attachment you do have to buy separately. It's about $30, you buy it separately. I love that it folds because it makes it a lot more compact and you're able to put it in the bag and it fits perfectly, and it just makes you save so much space in your luggage. The first product I'm gonna apply is the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector. This is just gonna protect my hair from the heat. I love that this makes my hair so soft. And this is just a very nice first step for before your blowouts, if you wanna leave your hair natural. It's just a very nice overall product. I'm gonna add this Verb leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna add this Verb Curl Foaming Gel. I love this product, it's new. And it's by Mains by Mel. Love her videos and her curls are so beautiful. So yeah, I've been loving that product. I wanna take it with me, but I think it's too big for traveling. So I might have to leave that one here, but I really like that foam. Okay, so this is how I would normally leave my hair after drying it. This is about 90% dry, and I actually really like how my hair turned out. I have so much volume. My curls are very defined. It only took me 10 minutes to dry my hair. So yeah, I am done drying my hair. I like to leave it like this, and I actually love the blow dryer. I think it's super nice and powerful. Tomorrow I'm going to do a blowout, so stay tuned. By the way, I am gonna wear the same shirt, so don't mind that. It's just for video purposes. It's gonna be clean, okay? Even though it's the next day. I'm actually gonna take this off and put something else on because I'm going somewhere now. But yeah, it's gonna be clean, don't worry. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I blow out my hair. So let's see if this is good enough for blowouts as well. Hey guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna blow out my hair today with the nozzle attachment. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna prep my hair. I'm gonna use the Olaplex No. 9 all over my hair, so about that much. This is gonna protect my hair from the heat, and it's gonna add so much shine to my hair. So love using this before my blowouts. I also like using the No. 6 Bond Smoother. This is gonna make my blowout feel very smooth, and it's gonna also prevent my hair from getting frizzy. So definitely need that. Gonna divide my hair into a couple of sections, and I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, we're gonna start with this small section right here. I'm gonna put it in the highest heat setting and highest speed. I'm actually gonna start a timer soon, just so that we can see how long it takes me to do all my hair. But so far, this section kind of took me a couple minutes. I'm gonna do all my hair and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. It's definitely not as powerful as obviously like a DYSON or another blow dryer like that is a lot bigger. This one's a very small, compact one. I feel like this one is really nice just for like a quick dry. I don't know if it's the best for blowouts, but I still have to do all my hair and see. pretty small sections just so that I can dry my hair better. blow dryer isn't as strong. It's taking very, very small sections. So far, I am getting a pretty nice blowout. So I'm just gonna start the timer now, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes me to do all my hair. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, because if it doesn't, then that means that I can blow out my hair out there pretty quickly. So I'll be back and I'll let you guys know how long it took me to do all my hair. Guys, it only took me 42 minutes to do my hair, and I actually am very impressed with my blowout. Like, my hair is so smooth. I honestly feel like that small blow dryer is so powerful, and I'm very impressed. Like, I am very, very impressed. I'm definitely taking it with me to my trip, and I'm excited because I know that I'm able to do a quick blowout over there if I need to. So yeah, love my hair. This is what it looks like from the back. I feel like I might have some waves in the back, so I can always just fix that later, or even with the straightener. I'm sweating too, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see my sweats on my back, but yeah, pretty sweaty at the moment. But love the blowout, absolutely love it, and I'm so impressed with this blow dryer. I did feel like the bathroom got very smoky. Like, I don't know if this blow dryer is the best to use on an everyday basis. Maybe go with the T3 Air Luxe instead. That one's a lot less damaging. It has some really nice and innovative technology that is supposed to be better for your hair, so maybe check that one out. I love this one for traveling though, and it's so nice and compact. You can fold it. Like, what? That is so cool. I don't want to break it. I always feel so nervous, but you can fold it. It brings a bag. You can get a diffuser attachment. I think this is a really, really nice one for traveling. It is dual voltage, so you can use it internationally, which is something that you don't find a lot in a lot of hair tools, like a lot of hair tools. And most T3 micro hair tools, if not probably all of them, are dual voltage. So I might take with me maybe a T3 micro flat iron if it is dual voltage, because just in case, if I want to touch up my hair, just the roots with the flat iron, I don't know, I'll see. I'll try not to use it, but I love the blowout. I think I got a very, very nice blowout. And yeah, I love this blow dryer. I totally recommend it. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna link this hair tool down below if you guys want to check it out. I'm also gonna link down below the T3 Air Luxe blow dryer, which is a little bit bigger than this one, but I think it's better for an everyday use. It's a lot less damaging in my opinion. I've tried that one before and it feels a lot more gentle on my hair, but this one's nice to use like for traveling, just like not too much in my opinion, because I do feel like it gets the job done, but over time if you use it too much, I don't know if it's the best for keeping your hair healthy, but I could be wrong. I definitely feel like there's other ones that feel a lot more gentle, but this one gave me a nice quick blowout. It gets the job done and it's perfect for traveling if you need something that's dual voltage, that's gonna give you a quick, easy blowout. So yeah, definitely check it out. I actually love it. Love the Olaplex products. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm gonna link down below all the products that I used today in this video, the Dyson brush, everything. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Please subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.